It's amazing.
Bon appetit.
Oh my god, this plov is ridiculous. Huge plov, horse meat, got chicken, got beef, carrots, chickpeas, rice, cucumbers. Wow, it doesn't end. Good morning everyone, I hope you're all doing amazing. This is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere in beautiful Samarkand, Uzbekistan. Today I'm very excited because I'm going to take you to 2 different workshops and then we're going to go eat some delicious Uzbek food. We're going to start it off right here at a paper workshop. It's Samarkand paper done the traditional ancient way. Then after this we're going to go to a silk weaving factory, and then after that we're going to go to the Plov center to eat some delicious Samarkand plov. And let's start it off right here. And this place looks like an old house with like some streams running through it. You have like this little, what is this called? Charpalak. Charpalak. So the water keeps coming up and down and up and down.
They are making a paper in a style which was used in 7th and 8th centuries. To make the paper, they have to turn off the skin of the marlberry and put it for 3 days in water.
Okay, so yeah, so these ladies, what they're doing is they're grabbing, you know, the branches, they're skinning them, they're taking all the skin off, right? Throwing the skin into the water and leaving it there for 3 days. And right across, I guess this is where they put it all, right? After they're done here, they're gonna put it all here.
And boil it for 5 hours.
Oh, and then they boil for 5 hours?
Yes.
Okay. Next up, we're about to enter a room, but right outside the room is this huge log. So what exactly is this?
It's ancient technology that water flows from there and it rounds and it make the structure will work, and the skin of the tree will be cut into pieces, small pieces.
And that's what we can see inside? So it basically works as a natural pounding machine.
And this structure will work for 9 hours to make a normal paper. Then we put them into this, inside of the water.
They pound it for 9 hours, then after they put it into this water, and then they get this, I guess, I don't know what this is, but they grab a certain amount of, I guess, the skin, and then turn it into paper, right? The skin gets pounded, puts in liquid, then they get this to make the paper, right? Then they put it with cotton, then it goes over here. So it's pressed down with this huge rock for an entire day, and then this is what you get, right? See? Cotton. So cotton paper, and that's tree paper. Oh wow, what a difference. Once he's done pressing the paper, then he'll put it here and he'll dry it out. It takes him 5 hours in the summertime because obviously it's really hot, so it'll get dry faster. In winter, it takes him an entire day, so possibly like 15 plus hours of drying it out non-stop, and you get the final product, which is this right here. Nice, very nice. Making ancient paper is a long process. After all those different steps, the final step is smoothing it, right? So they smooth the paper. Okay, so you grab the stone, and you go, to smooth it, right?
Yes.
15 minutes each side? Wow, that's tough. 15 minutes each side for one sheet of paper? That's intense. Flip it over, right? And go. Oh. It's okay? It's supposed to happen, right? You're supposed to get rid of the excess. Whoa.
It's how it was used to be.
Yeah. I mean, this is intense. Wow, you see the excess of the paper coming out right here. So that's basically it. Once they're done smoothing it, they start making all the different products. You know, clothing, hats, different things, right? So purse too. Okay, so lots of different products, basically. So they use this paper for products. Wow. My friend, this is for you. I can't do anymore. Oh wow.
All of them are made of paper.
Yes, I found it. I've been looking for this the whole trip. The mask. They're made of paper, all these?
Yes.
Oh wow. Wow. Alright, how much? This is amazing. So they got hats, they have purses, they have dolls, they have the mask, they have what else? More small dolls, they have some clothing.
they are a bit more costly. From 200,000 soms
Okay.
to 400,000 soms.
So between $20 and $40. Okay, let me see. All right, so I negotiated a little bit. It started off at I got 400,000 some. I bought 3, right? So I'm buying these 3. They're beautiful. And she dropped it down like, what, 5? What was it? So 350,000. She dropped it 50 some each. So roughly about $105 US for these 3. I mean, look at this. Beautiful paperwork. They're really unique and you will not find this anywhere else in the country. Okay? So one thing I highly recommend when you come here is come here with a lot of cash, because here in Uzbekistan, there's almost no credit card available, so you can never use your credit card or debit card. You always have to have cash on. You just go to an ATM, bring cash, because in this situation it gets a little iffy. I couldn't buy more because I just didn't have any more cash. I really love them. I mean, this is the only place in all of Uzbekistan where you'll find these masks. Wow, this one's really pretty. And yeah, I mean, that's basically it for here. Let's go to the silk weaving factory. Follow us. Nah, man, I really love the mask. After about a 10-minute drive, we made it here to the silk carpets factory, or you know, I guess it's a workshop, right? Workshop, yes. Factory, similar. So I went to one of these in Bukhara, and it's really amazing seeing the women weaving the silk, all the different colors, going back and forth, and they do it like for hours and hours on end.
And the first step of the carpet is cocoon. This is Uzbek cocoon. From one Uzbek cocoon we can take 1000 or 1200 meters thread. This is silk thread. This is the work of our carpets. If I try cut this material with finger, I can't, but I can easily cut my finger, you can see it. We use only natural vegetable dyes for our carpets. For example, this one called pomegranate shells. This is the skin of pomegranate. Also we have walnut shells. This is walnut shells. This is called mother root. It's just roots of the plant. If you look inside of the root, you can see orange color. This is called asparagus. Its flowers, it usually grows in mountains, in hills. This is for yellow color. Now we will go to inside of our factory. There I will show you how we make carpet, how girls work inside of our factory.
How many girls are working here? 20?
In this factory, approximately 80 girls work.
80 girls?
80.
Wow, 80 girls. We're literally walking through a rugs bazaar going all the way to the factory. Look at all these beautiful rugs. These are all the ones they do themselves. Look at that. Incredible work. Just the designs, so much detail and precision. This probably takes months. More, like a year. 2 months. 2 months, wow.
2 months.
Beautiful carpets, man. Look at these. This is just, is it all silk? All silk?
No, this is wool.
Oh, there's wool, so this is Afghanistan?
Yeah.
Okay. So if you didn't get that, Afghanistan, their factories in Afghanistan do the wool. Here they do the silk. Silk Road, Afghan has more, you know, I guess lamb and sheep up there, right?
More sheep, yeah.
Wow, too many carpets, man. Oh wow, here we go. This is where they weave the silk.
Okay, this is our main workshop. The working day in our factory begins from 9 to 5. In 1 week they work 5 days. Also, I want to inform you that we don't create new designs for carpet. We usually use traditional and old pattern and old designs, because that kind of carpet have history, have meaning.
Like my friend told you before, this is the biggest silk factory in all of Central Asia. It is huge. There's so many women weaving carpets. I mean, it never ends, and they do this for months and months and months on end. But there's so much patience involved, and they have to know exactly where each one goes and which color it is. I mean, it's so unreal. One thing I have to say is when you go to the Silk Road, every single city you should go to a workshop or a factory, a silk factory, and see how they do it. Every single one is different style, so every city has a different style. I went to Bukhara. I also saw one, a small one in Khiva, and yeah, very different. Not like this. This one is, you know, the designs are different, and what he was saying is this is also very traditional compared to other places. They don't really change designs. Your traditional designs that have been around for centuries. Yeah, I mean, this is really, really awesome. Like, awesome. You have to visit this place when you come here to Samarkand. I just entered the showroom, and I gotta say, I am blown away. Look at this, hundreds and hundreds of different silk rugs. There's so many colors, so much work, so many different sizes. I'm sure the price range varies. Probably, what's the lowest price? Lowest price, probably a tiny one, right?
80
dollars for this one. So that's 80 US dollars. So this one is easily 2,000 US dollars, right? Something like that. It just keeps getting bigger and bigger and bigger. Obviously, the bigger, the more work.
Till 15.
15,000? 15,000 is the most expensive? Wow, I mean, I think it's worth it. And these are 20% off?
Yes.
So what is this one?
Full season design.
So the most expensive, right? So this one with a 20% discount is $1,000 basically. I mean, it is gorgeous. I don't know. Have to think about it. Maybe a gift?
Here you can see only silk carpets, very fine work. Here per square centimeter 100 or 120 knots.
When you guys come to Samarkand, you have to come here. Incredible, incredible factory.
Yeah.
Man, this is just like, it never ends. I'd buy them all. But I can't. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright, so we're gonna go to Plov Center now. Plov.
Okay, to eat plov.
Oh yeah, we're gonna eat Plov. Plov Center.
I'm also going to eat plov.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, so after a 15-minute drive, we made it here to Armajon Lux Osh, which is a Plov Center. Okay, let's go inside and eat some plov, the king of the national dishes here in Uzbekistan. So good. Rice, beef. Alright, so the chef is gonna prepare me a huge plov. Look at that. Delicious, delicious plov. Wow, I love the difference here because the carrots are on the outside, so they're not mixed throughout the rice. They put it on top, and you have the beef, you have some onions as well. This massive plov is a little different. So the way it works is he starts off by getting a bunch of rice, then he puts the carrots on top, then they moved it over here, right? They put some beef, chicken, which is something different, chicken with egg on top of that, right? It's egg, or is that cheese? It's egg, yeah, it's egg. And also a huge piece of fat. Wow, this is a massive, massive plov. And over here, he's just putting together smaller plovs. These are like one-person plovs. Really, really tasty. Oh man, I can't wait to eat. I'm really hungry.
Царское блюдо теперь сужного.
Вау!
Приятного.
Спасибо.
На здоровье.
Это торт.
Wow, my man, that's amazing.
Bon appétit.
Oh my god, this plov is ridiculous. Huge plov, horse meat, got chicken, got beef, carrots, chickpeas, rice, cucumbers. Wow, it doesn't end. And that's not all they gave us. They gave us some bread as well. They gave us tomatoes, a tomato salad. I don't know exactly what this is. What is this again?
Tabo.
So I drink it, right?
Yes.
It's like a yogurt, minty yogurt, right? Very nice. I'm gonna dive on the plov though. Plov time. Let's eat. So the way you serve yourself here is you have these plates, you put them here next to it, and you just go like this. Right? I think so. Grab a bunch, put it all in. Oh yeah. Wow. I love the mix. The mix of meats. I'm gonna get some more of that. So this is not lamb, right? This is just beef. I think the biggest difference for this plov and any other plov I've seen is that this one has chicken. But right now I'm just gonna dive in to the beef. I love how oily the rice is. Mixed with the yellow carrots. There's just something about horse sausage. I really can't get enough of it. It's so darn good. Let me eat the egg. Quail egg. It's like a tiny baby chicken. Look at that. I've never actually eaten chicken like this small. Wow, lots of bones in here. Just trying to get some of that meat. Yeah, the best part about the chicken is the inside. So it's almost like a minced chicken inside. It's so different from biryani. And it's different from fried rice, you know, I've had so many different rices around the world. This one is like completely different. And the biggest thing is how sweet it is because of the yellow carrot. Super sweet. They're tiny legs, so hard to get the meat out. There it is. Mmm. Oh yeah, they're good. I really just need to get more meat, you know? Do you eat the peppers? So they gave us 2 red peppers. Oh yeah, no, it's spicy. It's too spicy. Mmm. Yeah, man. Mmm. And what's this? Like a yogurt? So grab something like this. Yeah, mix it. Get some of the meat. Mmm. Oh, it really blends well with the rice and the meat. Mmm. So the best thing to do is get a little bit, right? Like that. Come here, break this off. Dude, there's nothing like this. There's nothing like this. I love this. The horse sausage is phenomenal. I've barely eaten horse around the world. Only eaten horse, I think, in Slovenia, and this is the second time or second country that it's readily available. It's very gamey. Mmm, it's so good. So right here I got a pickle, right? I'm 100% sure it's a pickle. And then got vodka. Oh, super strong vodka. Whoa. 100 grams? I'll eat this. I'm not drinking any more of that. And here we have the delicious tomato, cucumber, and onion salad. It's very similar to Greek salad. The only thing missing is the feta cheese. Super refreshing. Oh, and tomatoes here are the best in the world. Rahmat, Rahmat. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
This has been such an incredible day. We started off at the paper factory. We saw how they make ancient paper from the 7th century. Really unique process, something you gotta do when you come here to Samarkand. And after that, I went to the biggest silk factory in Central Asia. Silk rugs, that's what they do there. Incredible, beautiful rugs, so many different designs. It's really impressive what they're doing here. And obviously these are traditions that date back thousands of years. This is the Silk Road that connected Europe and Asia. People were trading here for centuries. And after that we came here and had the best plov in all of Uzbekistan. I mean, that was my favorite. It was so good. So many different things. You got the horse meat, the beef, you got chicken, rice, carrots. Wow, I mean, fantastic. And the owner's really nice as well. I mean, he's like awesome. You see him right here? There he is. He loves plov. Well guys, I hope you love this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome travel content. Next time you visit Uzbekistan, come to Samarkand. Peace.